What's up, everyone? Yo, you know it's your boy Terry here at SEMA 2018, and I got the special honor to be here with my man, Tim Strange. And y'all know him from Powerblocks. Tim, what's it all about?
Just hanging out at SEMA, a little exhausting. It's day two. I'm almost ready to be home. This is actually my 20th year coming to SEMA and
Wow.
the 19th time bringing cars out.
And we're going to talk about this car in a couple of seconds. But I have to tell you, I have to thank you because you came on the Powerblocks scene and you gave me encouragement, along with other people, encouragement to get in the garage and do your builds. And from there came, like the build that I did. You made me build my dream instead of buying it. And I want to thank you and that whole Powerblocks setup.
Well, thanks for the compliment, but I need to thank you because I was stumped one day on something. I didn't have the right tool. I think it was I was pulling a harmonic balancer off or something.
Wow.
And you had this easy trick that you grab the inside with your tool, or that you probably had in the garage, and it worked. And I was like, yeah, so you saved me too, man.
No,
so
man, that's what it's all about, sharing the knowledge, man. I tell you, you know. But this beautiful truck, let's go around it and let's see what's up with this thing. I know this is a panel. What year is the 61?
It's a 61 with a 63, but it's pretty much just a 63 with some GMC headlights because they had the quad headlights.
Right.
57 vet teeth.
I was going to ask you about that. Because I noticed that was definitely not a factory option.
And so we did a little custom because I like to cut stuff up, but the rest of it, they're kind of a factory custom anyway.
Right.
Filled some parking lights. It's got an all brand new Fat Man chassis, Willwood brakes, B&M trans, Lingenfelder motor, all Holley injection. Vintage air, heat and cool. I did it column, the normal street rod stuff, Dakota digital gauges, boom mat insulation. It's full of all the good stuff. But we've already got like 500 miles on it, so it's not our normal over the top where we wet sand the bottom of the floors and everything. It's bed liners. The Fat Man chassis is all satin paint.
Nice.
And of course, it's got a killer, huge kicker stereo system in it. The guy behind the camera, my stereo guy, Chris, is back there.
Chris is camera guy. Yeah, we're gonna get him.
And so it built it pretty quick, about 5 months. It's built to be a driver. Like I say, it's got 500 miles. I actually had, instead of doing a normal thrash and no sleep before SEMA, I just had to touch up some rocket chips.
Nice. Now, do you have a name for this?
Big Bertha? I don't really know, man.
Yo, this is Big Bertha.
Like right now, we haven't put outside mirrors on it. It's kind of like driving a submarine. But we built it heavy enough, and the transmission and the horsepower and bigger shock waves from Ride Tech in the back. We're actually going to pull a small trailer with it, maybe some vintage race car stuff.
Okay. And the Ride Tech will make it look nice, a little even out.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready to make some mirror and put like some big old semi mirrors on it so I can see, because right now you can't hardly drive it unless you got somebody in the passenger seat.
And I was checking it out. You know what I like about this? Is usually when people do a car like this, what they do is they leave the same stock dashboard, but you update it. If you're going to update the car, you got to go on the inside as well.
Yeah, well, the early models of these trucks have that double hump dash like that in it.
And it's metal.
So that's like, that's all metal. That's a stock dash with this Dakota digital gauges. And then my stereo guy, Chris, put the kicker head unit in it.
Right.
And then the vintage air stuff right there. So it's actually got...
you made it look
it's
really
got XM
nice.
satellite stereo, Sirius stereo in it. So
I saw the video with your pops driving. That was really cool.
yeah, that was the first time he'd been around the block. He wouldn't get out of it, He's like, quit being a sissy, boy. Let's go for a drive. So.
Yo, man, I know you're busy, man. Thank you very much, brother.
Yeah, thank you, man. Yep, keep doing what you're doing, man.
And you do the same, man. I really appreciate it. Stereo guy, we're out.